here we have 1989, what's believed to be labeled as a Plymouth Arrow, but has, you see the Shelby wheels, Shelby kit, Shelby striping, Shelby spoiler, full Shelby interior, just like a 1989 Dodge Dakota Shelby, but it's Plymouth on the dash. No plate stamp for as to what number this would be. There's Shelby there, full Shelby. All out barn find. Just got the wheels taken off. Gonna put new tires on it, and we're gonna pull it out. I brought a set of tires from, or wheels and tires from my car that I believed would fit, but the center bore is a little too big on this truck. So, anyways, we'll video this process. Okay, so upon further inspection of what I had believed to be a 1980 Plymouth Arrow, it is actually indeed a 1989 Shelby Dakota. So here, getting ready to do the first start. I gotta pull all the spark plugs. They've already been soaking with PB Blaster for like probably 2 weeks now. So working on pulling those, and then I'm gonna put just some regular old engine oil, squirt down in there, and then I guess let that sit for a couple hours. Then probably get new spark plugs, put them in, probably do the wires too, since I'm already going this far, and I'm gonna guarantee it's gonna start. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get these pulled and we'll see how they look. All right, let's see if we can kind of show you. So this one's just pulled out, super dry down in there. You can kind of see barely. So all I got is like this. I guess it's called a oiler pistol. I don't know, but I put some 10W30 in this. I just give it a couple squirts, about 2 squirts, and then let it sit. So I don't know if I can even kind of hold the camera up, but it's kind of a pain, so I'm not even going to try. So sorry, there's nobody here to help me, I guess, hold the camera and stuff. So I'll just kind of update as I go along here. But here's what like one of them looks like pulled. I think that's just all obviously wetness from the PB Blaster, because there's no way after 25 years that they are like soaking wet with oil like that. But we'll get those all changed too. I'm just kind of putting them back in as I pull and squirt. That way nothing falls down in there, because this, I mean, there's still quite a bit of stuff going on, like dirt wise. So just trying to get it to start under and be able to move under its own power. So, all right.